Hi, this is John on behalf of expertvillage.com. In this video clip, I will be taking you through step 2 for replacing a flat tire. What you'll need to do at this point is loosen the lug nuts. However, when we loosen it, we're only going to loosen them about a half of a turn. So go ahead and put your lug nut wrench on your lug nut and pull them loose about a half of a turn. And the reason why we don't take them all the way off at this point is because the vehicle is not supported by the jack, and it may cause the tire to get crooked in there or damage it as well.